So now we are going to make this code of making a hollow diamond. Okay, so this is diamond which is hollow from the center. So now in this case we are having 1 2 3 4 5 6 7, means 7 is the height of this diamond, and at the bottom I'm having 1 2 3 4 5 6, including the center one. So now what we are going to make, first of all we'll make an upper triangle, right? After that we will reverse the upper triangle and make the bottom one. So let's make the upper triangle first. Now the upper triangle is made up of two parts. Like if I am just talking about this part, this is the upper triangle, and this is something that I will take it as the lower triangle. Now in upper triangle you can see I'm having one star at the center, means in the first line I'm having one star, that will be treated differently, and this loop will be treated differently. So let's create a number first. Number is equals to, I am having a number, for this case 7, and I am writing level. Okay, level is nothing but 1 less than the number, right? This is just for the sake of understanding, right? Because if I'm going for, let's suppose, a level of 7, right? So this is a triangle with the level 7, right? But this first height, means the top level is something that I have built earlier, right? This is just a print statement that I'm going to make, right? But if I'm removing this print statement, the for loop will go for 6 number of times. So that is why I'm writing level is equals to num minus 1. So these level number of time I need to iterate through the loop. Clear? So let's make a star. Let's fill the spaces first of all. How many time I need to add the spaces? I need to add the spaces these number of times, and after that I will add a space. Clear? After that let's go for a for loop now. For I in the range should be my level. Okay, after that I will print what I will print. I'll print here, I'll print these many spaces, right? After that I'm printing less than that, even lesser than that. That means I need to print the spaces. How many times I need to print the spaces? Number level minus I times. These are the number of times I need to print my spaces. Okay, now let's run this. Okay, we are getting nothing. We are getting nothing because first of all I need to print here star. Star should be there, and after printing the spaces I should also write a star. Okay, so that I can see how my model is, how the things are going. So this is star which is at the perfect position, and these are the star which are also at the perfect position. And what is the total length? The total length is 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. Everything is now perfect. So now what I need to add, I need to add the spaces in between as well, and at the end I want to add one more line. So to add the extra spaces here, how many spaces I need to add? Now this time I need to add twice the number of spaces, right? Why I need to add twice the number of spaces? Now let's discuss that as well. So here I need to add, let's suppose, one space. After that I'll add three spaces, or just four space, right? One, after two, after that four, after that six. So let's see if everything is working correctly or not, or otherwise I will add the number of spaces as well. There's no problem in that. But to check if everything is printing perfectly, I need to add a star at the end as well, so that we can see how many spaces I have added. Now you can see I'm having a problem here. When the value of I0, I multiplied to 0 multiplied to be means 0, 0 multiply by this string will lead you to 0 space. So that is why here I'm having 0 space. After that I'm having 2 spaces, then 4. But that is a problem, right? I want one space in the beginning. So what I will do, I'll add 1 here, right? Means after multiplying it by 2, I will write 1. That means even if the I is 0, I'll still get one space. Clear? So now if I'm executing this, I should, okay, I should add both of them in a condition, because what is happening, 2 multiply 1 will lead you to 0, 0 multiply by the string none, none multiply by plus will give you a value which is not supported, right? So that is why first of all I'll go through this particular condition, multiply 2 by I and add 1 to it. After that, I'll go for multiplying with a string. Now when I'm executing it, I'm getting a perfect top one, right? The top level is now clear. Now what I should write? I should go for the bottom one. To add the bottom one, let's copy this, right? And let's paste it at the bottom and see what I can change. Now initially the loop is starting from 0 and go up to that particular level, and that level is nothing but 6. It is not 7, right? Because I have added num minus 1. Now I need to add, like, the loop should start from this particular number, go up to 0, and every time after the iteration I will subtract 1 from it. And now if I'm executing the same code here, you can see I'm having the exact triangle, right? But here I'm having a problem that at the bottom I'm having, like, this particular star is missing here, because I'm having 1 2 3 4, just 5. Height is just 5 at the bottom, but here 1 2 3 4 5 6 7, 7 is the height. Means here I am having one more star that is not there. Why it is not there? Because I am just printing 1 2 3 4 5. It is just printing 5 times, and because it is printing 5 times, I need to print it 6 times. How to print it 6 times? Add a value here, but I cannot add a value here. If I am writing here 1, the loop is starting from 6 and going up to 1. 6 to 1 means it will execute 5 times. That is why it is executing 5 times. Okay, so I need to write minus 1 here if I'm going even deeper than that, because here the loop is starting progressively in the ascending order. Here it is in the descending order. So I need to reduce the value from it. And now if I'm executing it, yes, now I'm having the perfect diamond, but here I need to add the last star as well. So how to add the last star? Just copy this code from here and paste it here, because the first line is perfect at the center, so last line should also be perfect at the center. So now if I'm executing this, this is the diamond that I'm having now. So let's do one thing. Let's change the value as and see how the diamond is giving the output. This is still a perfect diamond. What about the value? Let's suppose 5. It is still a perfect diamond. Yes. And how about a larger value like 17? It should be a perfect diamond in this case as well, and it is a perfect diamond in this case as well, right? And yes, that's pretty much it, how you can make a perfect hollow diamond. Thank you.